Hello everyone, welcome to English Communication Guru. Let's start with another segment of daily English conversation practice. Our topic for today is a conversation between two friends. Today we'll practice English conversation in this context. वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखें और अपने चैनल इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन गुरु को सब्सक्राइब करें. So here we go. Hey Anvita, are you excited about the fresher party round the corner? Undoubtedly, Supriya. I can't wait. Have you thought about what you're going to wear? Oh, yes. I've been planning my outfit for days. Hmm, I'm still deciding between a couple of options. I guess I'm going with that black dress I showed you last time. Wow, that one's superb. You look ravishing. And what about you? What attire do you plan to don? Maybe I'll go with that yellow jumpsuit. That's killer. It's going to be so much fun to see everyone all dressed up. Yeah, I can't wait either. I love hanging out with our friends from class. Me too. I'm eagerly looking forward to attending the party. Do you think we should plan to meet up before the party and go together? Why not? It'll be more fun and frolic to arrive together. It's going to be such a blast seeing all our friends and making new ones. Beyond doubt, let's make sure to click lots of pictures and create memories to cherish. Absolutely, it's going to be an unforgettable evening for sure. But I wonder what activities they have planned for the party. I feel there's some fun games or maybe even a dance off. Wow, that would be so much fun. I heard they are also organizing a talent show where students can showcase their skills. Superb! That sounds exciting. Maybe we should prepare something together, like a dance or a song. That's a fantastic idea. We could set the stage on fire. Certainly, we'll make sure to steal the show with our performance. Let's brainstorm some ideas and practice before the special day. At all events, after all, it's going to be an evening filled with fun memories. Agreed. Let's make the most of it and enjoy every moment. Sure, it's going to be epic. All right. See you tomorrow. Are you coming to college tomorrow? Yes, definitely. After all, we have to prepare for the freshers. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye, dear. Take care. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos. Hit the bell icon for getting the notification of new videos. Until next time, happy learning English. See ya. Bye-bye.